Hi, this is Daphne with Glittered Up with Daphne. So I made these little hearts, and if you watched my previous videos, I did a Christmas like bundt cakes, and I filled them with the little foam slime beads or whatever they're called, and so I did like the clay, and then I filled it with beads and covered it up, and then I painted these. I painted one like a chocolate brown, and I painted one like a light pink. So I'm going to be decorating these. So on the top of this one, like I'm gonna put white puppy paint on it. It's this shiny, brilliant white. So I'm gonna do that on that. But on this one, I wanted it to be like the chocolate things. Well, I didn't think to look to see if they had like a chocolatey looking brown or a brown at all when I went to Walmart, so I didn't get it. So I have this, it's like the caulking that you can get at Dollar Tree, and I just mixed in some browns until I got like a dark, so it kind of looks like a chocolate. It doesn't come out as good as the puppy paint because it kind of goes flat a little bit, but it kind of gives you that feel like a Little Debbie's cake. So it's not exactly like that, but kind of similar. Like it gives you that vibe. So I'm gonna just put this across the top. Let me get it going. There we go, I got it. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of go in different directions because I just want it to look. So, I mean, there's no right or wrong way here, just however. So just kind of like that. So I mixed this up a long time ago, and it is still good. I just have it in a little plastic container like this. Like we get our lunch meat in this, and it's, if I keep it sealed up good, this stuff has been, I've had it for like months, and it's still good. So anyway, there you go on that. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of sprinkles on this, my Valentine sprinkles. Because it's Valentine's, so I might as well have it looking all sweet and cute. And then I'm gonna put some glitter, because this is Glittered Up with Daphne, so I gotta have my glitter. Okay, so that is this one right there. So now I'm gonna do the pink one, and I'm gonna do it with the white puppy paint. And basically the same kind of thing. I'm just gonna kind of go all different directions. No right or wrong way. And then the same thing, I'm gonna put some sprinkles on it. And this is just a simple little thing, and then, you know, you can decorate with it. I love to have, like, I have fake bakes all over. Like, my living room looks like a bakery. I have so much fake bakes. And that is it. That is done. So I have my pink one, and I have my chocolate one. So there you go. Well, I hope that you will, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope this is something you might consider trying. It looks like it's such an easy thing. You could just do like solid clay, or you could do styrofoam and paint them. You know, just cut out little heart and then paint them, and then do the same kind of thing and get that kind of look. But I could do this with just a little bit of clay and all those foam beads, and I've about used them all up now. So I am about out of them, which is good. I've had them for years, and they just were like taking up space in a drawer, and now they're gone. So, and I have these cute little cakes, and I have the bundt cakes at Christmas. So anyway, I hope you'll give me a like, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to you real soon. Thank you. So you can see all my yummy fake bakes. And these are the ones that I worked on, the little knockoff Little Debbie snack cakes, the little Valentines hearts. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you.